I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Unlock the iPhone and have your passcode ready, because iOS will ask for it. Once done, make sure the device runs iOS 18 and you've backed up anything important. Now open Settings and scroll directly to Privacy and Security. This is where developer mode lives. You're not wasting time on obvious setup, you're immediately positioning yourself at the control panel where the option to disable developer features appears. You'll now locate developer mode under Privacy and Security and tap it to view details. When you toggle developer mode off, iOS prompts for confirmation because this disables advanced features and app installation methods. That's why the system asks you to confirm. After confirming, choose Restart to let the change take effect. Make sure to wait for the full reboot. Skipping the restart can leave developer features partially active. After the reboot, you may need to enter your passcode again. Once your device restarts, go back to Privacy and Security to verify developer mode is off. You should not see the runtime prompts or the toggle enabled. If the toggle is missing or developer mode persists, remove any provisioning profiles in Settings, General VPN, and Device Management, and restart again, because those profiles can re-enable developer behaviors. If problems continue, update iOS to the latest build and reboot. That typically clears lingering developer flags and completes the disable process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.